Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Trading House live show. Today is episode 9 and we're back on the chart for another trading session. As we saw from yesterday, we were consolidating a lot and we finally got out of this consolidation. So today we'll most look for sales, potentially small retracement we'll have on 23.38 or two levels that have worked a lot these past days. So we'll look for both. Everyone will be trading today, so we'll see if anyone takes a trade. We're still with 6 contestants, okay, so no one left home yet. We'll see who potentially leave us in the future, but it will all depend on their trade and how they act as a person in the show, showing their discipline, a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's get back to the chart. As of right now, we just broke the low at the bottom, and Fib 88 at 41.92 didn't give much of a reaction, pretty much 200 pips. So for me, if I wanted to look for buys a bit more, I would have liked to see a nicer reaction and price holding Fib 88 a bit more. But as of right now, we're not holding anything. We keep on breaking the low at the bottom, so I don't see any reason to buy at the moment. Okay, will not create a good move, and the ROI on buys is not really interesting at the moment. Okay, so let's be patient and look for sales potentially if we have retracement. I hope you guys did your analysis already, everyone. We've been in the chart for a while now already, so that's it. Anyone took a trade in the past days, hours?
Yesterday, I took a sell on gold. But the thing is, it was at 4,259. Basically what happened, we were like 20 minutes, 30 minutes before close, like an hour before close. But the problem is that I said to myself, if I'm not up 100 or 200 pips, I'll close it because I don't know if we're getting a gap up or low to protect my capital. Mm-hmm. So I closed it. But I saw a retracement on Bitcoin on 38, so I took a sell on this one. I was up 1,000 pip, but now I'm only up 300 pip. There was a reaction. So gold was better, but I guess it is what it is, man.
What did you say? You took a short? I'm just having trouble.
Yeah,
took a short on gold?
Yeah, I took a short on gold.
And then you didn't feel it, so you took a short on Bitcoin.
But I didn't have, like, for example, the close was too close. Mm-hmm. Like, we were about to close, like, in 30 minutes. And Asia, I'm used to see Asia going, grabbing, basically, and going back down. And to be honest, I'm not down to be down 200 pips or something like that.
Okay, yeah.
Having a drawdown towards that, so I closed it. I wanted to, it was getting too late, to be honest. We were all sleeping, but I had a good structure on Bitcoin that I'm watching a lot, so I took a sell on it. I'm still in it and I'm looking at it, but honestly gold reacted really strongly.
What's the price you took a trade on gold? Just
4,259. It was basically, I was about to enter at 4,263, but the retracement went only at 4,262.50. I don't know, I didn't click. So I looked for a sort of pullback. So I went at 4,259. And
like pretty much over here on this.
Yeah, exactly.
Just before market close.
Was it? Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And I felt like my stop loss was at 4,263, small stop loss for 40 pips. But like I've seen it in long enough. I would have been able to hold it, but I've seen enough, so many like fake out, sweep. So I was like, rather close it, wait for a better structure. I'm late on that trade, to be honest. I'll sleep better that way.
Okay.
That shit hurt, but it's all good.
Yeah.
But I'm okay with that, honestly. I'm okay with that. There was a structure. I know they would try to grab it a little, but yeah.
It's nice, but do you have like a plan that you need to focus on the time of your trade or no?
The reason why I was like really interested towards it was because the fundamental was aligned, and I saw the institution were only reacting on 23.
Yeah.
So I feel they were in a rush to take their profit, and I felt they were kept going. But when I saw all this, I was like, maybe I'm not respecting myself in terms of how late I am. I saw a better structure on Bitcoin. I closed break even. And I decided to enter. The other trade is doing very well, so we'll see.
Okay, yeah. But I mean, I could check everything, but the thing is, taking a trade like 40 minutes before market close is like, there's no more volume. Nobody trades at that time.
100%. That's why I realized and I stepped back. I reevaluate myself and I said, okay, look, would you be happy to get a stop level 100 or 200 pip? Now I would be pissed because honestly, yesterday, like I told you, my zone was hitting 38, but we had a great reaction of 200 pips.
Yeah.
Tried to evaluate, but I had a hard time enter, and I didn't want to enter in any 23. And I knew we were going to 4,000, so it is what it is. So I stepped back.
Well, what do you mean you knew? You knew?
Not I knew, but the reaction right now, every fundamentals are aligning for an increasing of rates, and nothing is going well. USD is reinforcing. So in my head, all I see is sells. Even if you're in a buy structure, it doesn't react. To be honest, they're in a rush to take profit. That's what I see. The whole market is fully bearish. Like everything is reacting.
But I think you know it. I mean, I'll say it anyway. But yeah, it's just the timing of the trade was wrong.
Bad timing. That's why I accepted to go break even before the close. And I said, like, I went in
an hour before market close, even 2 hours before, like there's no volume, nobody's trading. So it's like, most of the time it'll just range. So if you take a trade, it's like, you know. But
I just felt because of the fundamental, I had like something like I'm used to see it. I was like, I'm sure we're going to gap down, but the percentage of chance that they come grab me, I stepped back and I said, you know what, it is what it is. I'll protect my capital and I'll get out.
I mean, at least you tried, but yeah, just next time. Me personally, I have a strict rules. I don't trade PM session from New York. So after 12 PM, I don't trade because the volume is not it. And when the volume is not it, most of the time we'll just do grabs. Maybe there's some days where we'll just fall or we'll do something else, but most of the time, like I've backtested once again, like every PM session, and like my strategy have way worse like win-reward ratio. So why would I trade it?
To be honest, I probably FOMO, but it really was towards my fundamental, and in my head I was like, I'm ready to hold it. Like, to be honest, I know we're going down. Like I just like, I don't know how to explain it. I felt it. Like I'm used to see it, and I saw the structure. It's not the first time I've seen it, but I stepped back. I saw something nicer on Bitcoin, and
I mean, there was so many sell to take, like on Fib 23 here,
I was late.
here,
I was late.
these three. So yeah,
I was late.
But it's okay. It's perfect.
Yeah, I was late.
Just the timing. All good. Thanks for saying. Yep.
How is Bitcoin related to gold? Is it?
Bitcoin?
You're saying that you took a Bitcoin instead of gold?
With what I study, it is. To be honest, it is. It reacts later on. It's like the gold of crypto.
It's like, you know, people loving crypto, they think that Bitcoin is like more of a safe haven.
Right.
Okay. And people that likes more like normal thing, like gold, whatever, they think that gold is safe haven. So like people that loves crypto, they will go put on Bitcoin because it's safe.
Okay.
But in my opinion, it's a lot less safe than gold.
Really?
Of course, yeah. I mean, it just, not even really, like it just got down by like.
But that's beautiful. All I do is sell on gold, on Bitcoin, because the panic and the lack of trust that is increasing is like giving me like 10,000 pip reaction. Like there's panic right now. So that's why I'm looking at sales on Bitcoin.
Personally, I don't trade Bitcoin.
Okay, only gold.
Only gold, yeah. It's, you know, institution trade more gold, it's more manipulated, so it's more easy if you trade like institution. And Bitcoin also, a lot of people are trading it like retails, it's more retail, so it moves sometimes less correlated to fundamentals.
Starting to react on 38 often, like when I'm studying. That's why I sometimes go, and honestly, like on higher time frame, not low time frame, like small fib, impossible. If you're retail and you think it's gonna work, it's really like higher time frames. Like it respects.
Day trading Bitcoin as a retail is extremely difficult.
It's impossible. You can't. You're gonna lose your money.
I think I could be profitable if I was trading Bitcoin, but like, why would I trade it if I know that I could trade gold and be way more profitable? It just
makes sense.
Doesn't make sense for me. Yeah.
So we've been looking at rejections and then coming in on Fib 23 on all the downward movement. We've just grabbed above the small Fib 23 now and closed below. Would you consider looking at a sell here?
You're talking about small.
The small fib, the last high
to
the low, it's just swept a little bit above 23, come back down, closed below, created a red candle.
But you know, most of the time these 23 they will work from bigger fib, like small
Bigger fib.
23 they work a bit
Not
less.
so
I would wait
okay.
for 38 if it could be matched with big 23 also.
Okay.
Like we just had. Here this one was a fib 23 and it was matched with small 38 from here also.
Okay.
So this is like perfect.
Perfect.
If we can go a bit more higher, because we grabbed liquidity from the low.
Mhm.
You know, honestly, every fib 23 could work right now. On this market, I wouldn't be surprised. If this one reacts and go lower, I wouldn't be surprised.
Okay.
So it's possible to try it. Is it the best possible? No. But
If it's matching with a higher time frame for it.
yeah, I mean, even smaller time frame, it could work.
Okay.
I wouldn't be surprised.
All right, cool.
Like they're all working a lot, so
Mhm.
I'm surprised. Yeah, Victoria.
Bill, I have a question to you. So I want to know, your original buys was sell yesterday, but now that we touch Fibonacci 88 at 4,192 on the 4 hour, are you changing your buys to buys? It's a real important level for instruction, in my opinion. I just translate, but I would like to know.
Yeah. What you're asking is, since we've touched Fib 88 on 4 hours,
Yeah, exactly.
at 41.92,
Yes,
am I changing my bias to
Yeah.
buy because of this level?
yes.
Okay. Personally, no, because we went a lot lower. As we said earlier, like there was pretty much no reaction on Fib 88 on 4 hours. There was a small reaction and wait back, we went lower. Sellers are too strong. So I would keep the same bias, but you know what, it's a good question.
Thank you so much.
Good question. I'm surprised of it.
Thank you.
It was a good question. It was a good question.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Bilal showed me some also.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much for that.
Bilal showed you something?
Yes, on the chart here, explain me more. Yes,
No, but it's a good question. Like, I was surprised.
thank you so much.
Good job,
Thank you for answer.
of course. So yeah, quick answer, like no, still looking for sales because we didn't react enough in my opinion. I would have liked to see like 1,000 pips retracement from like Fib 88 for me to potentially look for buys. But it was nothing. Look, this is pretty much, was this it? This is 92. So this is the wick that we've made on 92, the level you're talking about on Fib 88. It was a small reaction, then went lower. This was a complicated one for buyers. And then we went lower again, a fake out. So I wouldn't change my bias to buys. No.
One more question. When we're making continuous downward movements, where in your head are you looking to trace the last fib from? You know what I mean? Because we're making higher lows each time.
Yeah.
What point are you looking at each time as we make another higher low and another higher low to trace your fib from?
Always the same thing. As we said, like at the beginning, it's the first one that we trace. So the first one I traced was the reaction yesterday from the news. Which one it is? Over here, if we look at higher time frame, you see it at the top.
Yeah.
This was from the news
Yeah,
yesterday.
that's my main one, yeah.
So first point, and then the last retracement that we made. So
Okay.
pretty much, last retracement that we made was a couple of minutes ago.
Yeah.
Over here, so I would trace this one.
Okay.
So we would had two. Fib 23 is there, so it would probably be an 88 here for smaller fib. But you know, earlier it was nice because we had this one over here. This could have been valid in my opinion, with 38, and we had big 23 also. If you trace that big fib on top, so you had like Fib 38 here and Fib 23 here, so we touched both pretty much. So
Yes.
that would have been nice.
There's a big 38. It went just to touch it, but it's on a higher time frame. Let me try to find it. I'll try to do it. We really touched it.
So that was great, yeah. Yeah, Omar.
Yes, 2 hours ago, like I saw this trade, but I hesitated to take it because it looked too easy, in my opinion. And now I'm kind of like, damn, I missed 500 pips. But would you have taken that one?
You know what? I was looking at it at the beginning of the structure, but the XY was.
Yeah, that's what I was like. The XY was not on a level. Like it was halfway on.
The XY was
50.
there, if I remember correctly. The XY was here.
Yeah.
The structure was nice, but it was looking like we could push lower again. So
And there was no real fib there, so it was just like
Exactly.
structure on.
I didn't like the XY. That's why I didn't take it. But
Yeah, same.
like, if we're only looking at gold, like it was valid. Once again, like waiting for a sweep would have been nice. It was looking
Silver
extremely
sweep
easy.
61. So I was.
It was looking
so
extremely easy, in my opinion, and the XY was not on best level possible. So, but you know, if you would have taken that trade, I wouldn't say like this is a stupid trade. Like it was was pretty valid, just the XY, but at the same time it was forming a nice structure.
Hmm.
But it was valid, but not the best because of the XY.
Yeah.
Can we look at the reaction yesterday? Because it touched my 38.
Yeah.
Put it. You could put it on. Am I on?
I mean,
4
you're talking
hours?
about the big one, yeah.
Yeah, on 4 hours. Yeah. Because low-key, I was like, why did I try it? But I was waiting for a structure. But like
was
as
done
soon
this.
as I saw that wick, I
Had like
knew
this.
like we saw the news and we knew like it was
Yeah.
manipulated.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We were sitting here just.
And we were like, do we get in? Do we phone? Do we trap? But it felt
Like this one over here.
Yeah, exactly. And it touched exactly the 38 and went back down.
Yeah.
Would you consider, for example, being more aggressive towards it by understanding everything that happened, or it's better to like wait for a pullback? Like I tried yesterday to wait for a pullback and like I
To
just
be honest, like
missed everything.
if it was not a news,
Yeah.
maybe. But I mean, I'm pretty sure you saw the way it reacted. Like,
It was in 5 minutes, 300 pips in 5 minutes. It was insane.
it was
Like you need to have cojones, like huge
Like-
cojones to get this.
Look at this. Like we've touched 38. Top is at 63.
Yeah.
Let's say you wait for the first close, no structure. You're like, I don't like structure.
Yeah.
We closed at 52. So we're already at 110 pips stop loss, and we didn't went up a little. Like we dropped down like
Yeah.
instantly.
Yeah.
So like, if you want to risk 130 pips on the news, yeah.
I was just asking because
Like, look, for me, this is not something I do.
I wasn't mentally ready, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
I still think I'm not. It's just I was wondering, like I saw the move,
Yeah.
like if it's human. Like I feel like
Yeah.
I missed the whole like.
Yeah. But I'd rather take a trade on something more like calm over here on 23 over there, 23 over there, 23 over there.
Yeah.
You know, this is what I like NFP, for example.
Yeah.
We had the reaction, waited for first retracement, took sell on it on
Yeah.
23. I'd rather take this than risking like a lot of pips there. And also, since it was in news, like, yeah, institutions are using news to manipulate, but it could have go way higher. Like we had so good levels higher, they could have used the news to like fake out everyone and go on 61 at 43, 92, 97. So they could have done like a lot of other things. So it's like a bit of a guess and gambling.
So would you? Because I want to put it in my rules, but I'm not sure I should. This sort of reaction after news drop, and I know it's manipulating towards it. I would put my head into like evaluating the first 23 and try it. But would you feel it like in the long run I will get grabbed because they often go at 38? Because for example, last week after the news it was only 23s and also that one. So
Yeah.
I'm starting to see a sort of pattern when they're in a hurry and a rush of a 300 pip reaction
Yeah.
on a wick.
I
But
mean,
my question is it sustainable in the long run? That's really what it is.
because it's different for each case. This is what's different about it. But each news or each reaction that we have extremely fast, like over there, we really grabbed everyone. Like there was nothing
Yeah.
left. For sure, we were going to continue to go down. Like
Yeah.
you just had to sell on every 23. Back then, I mean, if we're on consolidation and something like this happens, like 38 will work more. But now, since we're like in a huge downtrend, 23 is better. They don't have patience to wait till 38. They just want to keep on going down. So I would say when we're in a huge downtrend or when we're all-time high season, like we keep on going
23.
up, 23 is the way. I never have 23 on my chart except we're on like huge downtrend or all-time high season. So normally I remove it. But now like it's so important to have it. And if we like decides to go back up and retest all-time high, I will put it back so we can buy the dip.
It helped me
It's a
a
good
lot,
level
a
for
lot.
dips. That's it.
It helped me a lot in all-time high. You're right.
All-time high, wow, 23, perfect. If you wait for 38, you'll wait for years. Like it doesn't come.
It
Always
doesn't even
23.
grab.
It doesn't touch 38. It doesn't want to see it. Like 23, boom, we go back up. Like it's not the best price possible for sure. There's better levels, but at some point, like if it's what works the most with what we have, can use it.
Thank you.
But yeah, 23 is wow. I love it.
Like
Now with this.
I was waiting for 38 so many times, but the only 38 I got was the news. I'm like, I have to restructure my mind.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really the season. You base yourself on your season and
Yeah.
the news and evaluating how the
Mhm.
institution would react.
Yeah. Evaluating and per experience. Like I've been a long time trading, so I've seen like everything in 23 when we have like a good downtrend, good uptrend on gold, especially like on gold. If we're not consolidating, like we'll do like really huge move without giving proper retracement.
Mhm.
Like we discussed about it yesterday. You were
100%.
telling me we have to go up. Like really, we don't have to. Gold is the only one that doesn't have to.
It went to the
No, but
the
you-
first 38. My 38, it went. It was between 38 and 61, and it touched my 38. To be honest.
38, yeah, but yesterday we were talking more about 43.97, 4400.
I had two zones: 38 at 60, and how do you call it?
Yeah.
At 92.
I mean, what I said yesterday was that potentially we'll do a fake out for everyone to buys, okay, which maybe some retail did yesterday at the news, but it was really fast.
Yeah.
And then close back below, and then we'll go down. So it was just perfect. But yeah, just like 38 is the nicest thing we've touched yesterday. It's crazy. Like we never go higher than this when we're in such big move on gold. So yeah, we'll keep it that way. Today we'll focus on 23 again, as long as next level possible for me would be, as we discussed yesterday, like 3,900 would be great. For sure that we have also 4,100, that we have huge liquidity over there, but we could go lower easily, lower than that. And 4,000 for me, it seems too easy. I think a lot of people will wait for 4,000 cycle level. They will think that this is where market's going to reverse, but same thing as on gold with 5,000, remember? Everyone was thinking 5,000, 5,000, this is the level, it will flip. Like we
5,000,
broke
600.
5,000, up to 5,200 in a day. Like always the reverse psychology people. So wouldn't be surprised to even touch 3,800, 37, like fast in one day, just for everyone to panic and then click on sell and then we'll reverse. So that's what I think at the moment. We'll see right now if we have a small 23. We're on one right now, are we? Yeah, okay, we just retest it again. It's not a bad one. It's a break and retest pretty much from this low over here. But it's for sure it's more dangerous. Like this level was way better than the trend fib 23 that we have. Let's see.
So you wouldn't consider buying a dip here, or selling the dip, sorry?
I wouldn't call it like not smart, but it's more risky for sure.
Okay.
Just more risky.
So obviously we've got DXY, well now it's just completely flipped. Silver, same thing. It's a small fib again, as you mentioned.
XY is on probably like small 38.
Maybe. From DXY, would you drop from here, the bottom? Up? Are you doing it there, you're showing me?
Yeah. Could do that way on the XY here. Till the highs, and you can have, yeah, pretty much on small 38.
Is it correct?
What's this?
What?
Hmm.
Is it correct?
Yeah, wait.
Silver is melting.
If
Yeah, it's perfect.
If-
yeah.
I'm in peace now.
I would like to buy, I
be
think
honest.
I must something here.
I'm good now.
It's here, yes.
To sell.
Yes, yes. Is it good?
Wow.
It's okay, but like
As soon as I spoke.
most of the time we won't come back to 61. Like we'll go 23 or 38, but because we have really a strong momentum for sellers. So fib 23 and 38 is really good right now.
What?
Like the one you have here, 23, is really good. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, good analysis.
I will put trend line.
Trend line, yeah, go from higher. Because right now
Yeah.
you only have this highs. Like go from higher time frame. You'll be okay.
Oi,
It's giving us
from
two
here to
retests.
here.
Even higher potentially.
I'm trying because this is new system for me. I mean, I know how to do that, but I don't know how to.
Take your time. If you want to change time frame, go on higher time frame. You'll see like everything.
1 hour, do you mean?
Click here
Yeah.
and go maybe like 1 hour could be great.
So.
And then zoom it out here, like click on this, and then put it back the other way.
Okay.
Or look,
Okay.
that way here,
Mm.
boom, like this. to the upside, so you can see like more properly the chart,
Yes.
and then you can go maybe M15 if you don't see any trend line, and then you look at
Yeah,
it
I know it's
from this highs.
Yeah,
this
sure, I
highs.
know how to do that already. Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah.
There we go.
Waiting.
Retesting 23.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna get him.
I feel like they've given so many 23 easily. Like people will say, you know what, fuck it, let me try this one,
Yeah.
and then we'll go back up.
I'm thinking to get in now as well. I'm trying to restrain myself.
Because like literally we've gave so much on every single 23. Maybe like we'll go on 38 this time.
Maybe. But there's also
Yeah,
like a
it's
big
going higher.
23 above.
I feel like if one person tries it, we'll go on 30. Let's see.
I'm waiting for 61. I know it's tricky, but I feel like I missed the trade, right? So in my head, I rather retest 4,200
Mhm.
and try it. I mean, no, to be honest,
4,200 would be nice.
yeah. So I'll wait for 61, 4198. I think it will try to fake it and act like it's going to higher to 4,200
Mhm.
and after create a structure and go out or react as fast, but I think I will get in. I would rather be aggressive on that level than
Mhm.
try 23 because right now I have I see a buy structure on the oh shit, my bad, wrong on the on 5 minute I see a full buy structure. I would never try it.
Me too, yeah. I would sell here.
Yeah.
And it's really not the best price possible.
No. So I'll try. Like you said, we often reacted on 23.
Mm-hmm.
Like when you do it 5-6 times, like khalas, like you know, like
Yeah.
I'm waiting for
Too easy
61
for everyone.
rather than for me in my head like I missed the trade rather than I
Yeah.
accepted it, to be honest. So 61, if it's there, I'll try it.
Just set your price and wait for market to come. If it doesn't come, that's it.
Plus, yeah.
You don't take it. Like
100%.
if you start chasing the market and
Oh.
chasing every trade, that's how you lose.
And I'm material something else also.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for 38 because DXY is not really on any good level. So
Yeah.
maybe wait for DXY to come down to 61, see what happens on that level, and then see where gold is when it's at that
You
level.
did good.
Either 38 or FIB 61 could be nice.
Yeah,
4,200.
I think for DXY to get to 61, I think
Silver
gold
foot.
will need to get up to maybe 38.
Mm-hmm.
Could even push to 61. Yeah, I think 61 could even be a better level.
It could be, yeah. With psycho level,
Mm.
I mean, if you look for the best price possible,
4,200, yeah.
it's possible. It's really lower time frame also.
Mm.
So if you look for the best,
Yeah.
23 is where this one,
And if it is
higher.
at 40.
4209.
Silver's broke the lower low. Silver's just
Yeah,
fallen.
silver is moving
It's
crazy.
Broken the lower low.
Mm.
Yeah, but be careful. Huh?
Yeah.
Silver doesn't move like gold sometimes.
Sometimes in advance.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I use it.
Yeah, but 100% it's good, but there's so many times, like for example, you see gold like grabbing, and you see silver.
Mhm.
So you're getting a good entry. It's a good to enter.
Yeah.
But if you follow silver right away, and sometimes
No, you
Trap.
can't do that.
you get
You can't do that. Don't forget, gold is the boss.
yeah, exactly.
But
So
it's a
yeah.
good confluence.
Go
I
on.
mean, if you're in really good level on gold, then you're hesitating and you see silver starting to fall down. Like,
I think
It's
it's
good.
smart. I think it's smart to be honest.
So yeah, I'm not interested in anything just now.
Silver's dropping, boy.
the chart is sleeping.
Sorry? I couldn't find the mouse. Can you help me
We're back.
with the...
Yeah.
I struggle with
I
the
think you have
Fibonacci.
different price.
Come
like,
on.
in my opinion, it
Talk
froze.
to me France.
Sorry?
Chart froze.
Mine is froze?
Yeah.
Oh.
On that.
No, that's good. Because look,
Okay,
you got
yeah.
the timer coming
See,
down.
like it froze.
So
Mine is frozen.
Just reload the
Refresh.
page.
Khalas.
Break even.
It's a bit of an old laptop.
So we do 1,000 pips.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't call me.
Did I lose the Fibonacci?
Should just give it a sec to load.
Are you okay?
DXY 38.
Interesting close, eh?
Okay.
DXY.
Yeah.
I struggle to draw the Fibonacci's. I don't know where in the charts I need to draw them. So
Yeah.
are they correct?
So you have the higher from this highs till this low. This is the 23 that we have.
Yeah.
Seriously?
And the other one I would put it at the top.
From
Close below it again.
See it?
from which top? Do I need to go on a higher frame? Like
Yeah, it would be easier. for us. From the highest top that we made here. Yeah, this highs. And what is the other one you have?
from the news from up here.
Okay, yeah.
Too much.
I mean, because 3 fibs, like especially
I-
the third one, for us to go there, 23 is at like 42, 35. Like we're really
Okay.
far from it. So I would
So I'll
remove it
delete
for
that
now.
one.
If we do break that high over here, then you can trace the bigger fib, so you'll have your 2.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
But yeah.
So am I a bit high there then as well? Bring it down to maybe what here? That's from
No, because she had
Friday.
like this one, and she had one even higher.
Ah, okay, got you.
She had 3, but the third one, like,
Yeah.
the price will not go
Too
there
high.
unless we break the 100% from the lower one. So she can just adjust it after.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
It's just for visual, like, so it's more clean.
Thank you.
Of course. Anyone took that trade? You took?
Trade.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Show me.
Dude.
Alvin, what's happening?
Guess myself, bro.
Huh?
Made me second guess myself there. It would have been, I think, valid. But
It's a nice grab.
Struggling to drop though. Silver reversing, DXY's the rejection.
Mhm.
Closing below the 23.
Let me see Omar's entry.
Wait, I just need to adjust my TP.
Should have just taken it.
Wait.
That's in at next 88. Yeah. So here we go. This. After the sweep, after it like flipped, silver was just pushing down,
Mm-hmm.
and I said, like Kelvin said, we might go to 23, but this is maybe what we are thinking.
Mm-hmm.
So I just took it like maybe it's another 23,
Okay.
no, and instead of 38, I mean. Yeah, let's see.
Let's see.
How much are you risky?
65 or 70? 72. 72 pips.
Your entry is at 72.
No, it's 72 pips. Yeah, my entry is also at 72, and I'm risking 72 pips.
Okay.
Okay, and look, since you're in the trade right now, have you asked yourself all of your question before entering, or you just went in? Because I know it was fast.
Yeah, it was fast.
Did you ask yourself your question, or should I tell you?
I looked for the reversal.
Mm-hmm.
I checked silver. I checked DXY.
Mhm. Is
and
the XY on a
you-
reversal level for sales?
No, wait, let me check. DXY is not on a reversal level for
Very
sales.
far from it.
Yeah, DXY is far from it.
Far from it.
Okay.
And this is for sure a more risky one, but I've been reacting off fib 23 the entire time.
Because for me, like DXY, you know, if I trace my fib, I have like fib 38 rejecting, and I have also like potentially a small
sales.
61 for sales. You know?
Wait. So I have this fib.
Don't you see it?
Yeah.
61 on DXY, like smaller, and
just DXY now because I have like I don't have no, just
for me, like 61 and 38 for sales on DXY.
This fib.
look it up, way back. Yeah, exactly. 61. I put it in. Yeah, you're
For
close
sales,
to. Yeah, you need. Yeah, for sell, but it has to go on
No,
DXY for for a sell. You're
Yeah,
searching
yeah.
for a sell.
I mean, no, because we want to look for the inverse of
Oh,
our trades to make sure it's valid. Nothing like is stopping.
oh, to see if it's gonna grab it. If
Yeah.
it's gonna grab it, 100%.
So we have like 38, and we also have.
Yeah, it could really go get it. You have 38 there.
For me, 38 is here.
Let's do
Because I
this.
put it from this
From
fib
which
here.
one?
It's high.
Oh,
And
you went to
probably
the higher.
Went for this one because we had a reaction, so it's right on 38. And
So I'll
61.
I'll do a bigger one then.
Mhm.
So you're talking about like this fib here?
Yeah, this one you have 38 on the XY, which is
Mm.
reacting. You also have like 61. If you
Yeah.
trace like this one, let's say the last retracement before going down.
Okay.
Okay, you took the last one, not the big wick.
Thought these were maybe too small. I took like, I drew my fib like from this fib, and this fib, and to this one. But I thought the others were just too small.
I mean, you just took a trade, so you want to look like for right now what we have. We'll
Yeah.
take that one and this one, even if they're a bit
Okay.
smaller. They're, for me, like they're okay. Calvin
Mm.
got it on his stride.
I was going to ask you, considering this is just consolidating,
Yeah.
Which one he took?
support and resistance here. If this was consolidating and gold and silver wasn't, is there ever time it's like that? In terms of, for example, these are falling, or silver and gold are both falling, and then DXY is sort of just going in between resistance and support. Is that ever a thing?
Everything. What do you mean?
Like, if it stays consistently just going, because
Yeah.
obviously we've got roof and support and resistance. If it just stays like that, would silver be and gold be doing the same thing?
Not always.
Right.
That's why sometimes we'll consolidate and gold will go up a lot. Most of the time it means something, that something is coming on DXY. Just
Yeah.
grabbing liquidity and getting buyers stronger, sellers stronger to do a big move.
Yeah.
It's a bit more scary to take a trade. I would rather have like a good level.
Got you.
But yeah. But as for Omer, your trade, it's nice on gold for 23, but the only thing was the XY, to be honest. The XY.
Yeah, but just like before, we were talking about like this cell over here. The XY was also like the only one not following, but silver was looking great.
Yeah.
Gold was looking great. It was on amazing levels. And in the morning, today in the morning,
Here or this the smaller here?
This is 61,
Okay,
and the other one is 38. Yeah.
so okay.
This is what I have. 38,
So
61.
your plan, basically you're evaluating if we're going to reverse for it to go basically go back up and
I mean, if the XY is on Fib 38 and 61 for sales, why would you take a sell on gold? That's just.
it'll be tricky. It'll be tricky. It'll be tricky.
I mean, it's guessing. It's like I hope the XY will break this level, but like
I could
why would you hope?
and this morning, like DXY was just following gold and silver. So I
understand.
was like,
I know,
D-
but
I was unsure like to even follow DXY at this point.
See,
I know, but still, you have to follow your strategy. Like it's not because the XY is for 1 hour or 2 hours doesn't do the same thing. I would still follow the plan.
Okay.
If the XY is going the same way as gold for an hour or two, and then you take a trade based off the XY going the same way as gold, it's a
I
bit.
mean, it's been a couple of hours that it's just moving with gold and silver. That's why I was thinking, okay, maybe I have to adapt.
It's not that it's moving together. It's like the XY is ranging, so that's why like the XY was ranging. If you look at the 5 minutes, like it's been ranging a lot.
Yeah. and the
See, so like not that they move together, just ranging a lot. So yeah, but that's it. But as for the trade, it's nice. There was a grab. I mean, it's Fib 23 close below.
Yeah.
Looks like a bit of a fake out for now, but
honestly,
Yeah.
all I see, that's why I don't know. All I see by looking at DXY with the 38 and this buy structure is that it's gonna grab higher.
yeah.
That's all I see now. I'll try to see if I
Yeah.
could work.
But it's good execution. Just only thing was the XY. But have you looked at the XY before or no? Like
Yeah.
for sales?
I just missed the fibs that you were talking about, like the smaller fibs. I was
Yeah.
too focused on the higher fibs, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Okay,
I
one
have
of
a
my
question.
fibs got deleted.
When you look at your confidence, yeah, I saw what you showed me. But for example, how I was doing it. So for example, when I see this kind of buy structure, for example, if I was looking for a buy, I would tell myself, okay, I'm waiting for a sweep, a grab, go up, right? I see we didn't touch 61 on DXY yet. So in my head, I'm like, I'm waiting for it to touch 61 or going technically, no, it's not that. So I'm supposed to go see the inverse. Because technically you're looking at the sell reaction.
On
the
gold.
buy reaction.
So we want a buy on the XY, which we would like the XY to
Yeah.
go to 61. But right now
Yeah.
it went close from 61 and reverse,
Yeah.
which most of the time means that we'll go lower after. So why would you sell gold? I would wait for higher.
100%. Okay,
That's
good.
it.
No,
That's the only
I
thing.
understand your mindset.
Yeah.
You're talking
Makes sense.
about the 61 on the bifib, yeah. So this 61 here.
About the, yeah, exactly.
Okay,
about the
gotcha.
XY, yeah.
Cool.
61 on buys for the XY, but right now we're like on a bit of a sales 61
Yeah,
plus
yeah.
38, so it's a bit tricky.
Okay, cool.
But that's it. That's it.
Perfect.
Might still work for Omar, but
I'll
a
look
bit
at
more
how you
stressful.
try frame.
Yeah, I could still close the trade. It's in
Mhm.
profit. I could
No,
close-
don't be. You,
I wouldn't close.
You have to assume.
No, I'd put break even a bit faster. That's what I would do if I was you.
Yeah, I think if it breaks these
Yeah.
lows here, I will put
Breaks
break
the
even.
low, yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out which one.
But what's difficult about gold is that most of the time, like the execution has to be fast, especially like on that one, for example.
Yeah.
So you can't really ask every question, but like with experience and time, like you'll see, you can just ask it like so fast.
Yeah.
Like for me, it's so fast. I check everything, and before taking a trade, you should like check everything before.
I felt like this the entire week. I don't know. I felt like I'm way too slow on entering positions, like on gold this week, and
Yeah.
You're never slow enough.
yeah, maybe it did something in my head. Because
But-
usually I wouldn't enter this. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's a bit too fast, really. But
I mean, you already know that it's not the best price possible on gold. It's Fib 22, which worked a lot, so okay.
Yeah.
But the rest needs to be like incredible. You know, like the XY needs to be on a really good buy level on 61, 38. Now we're on sell level, so it's like
yeah,
a lot more risky. You know, silver was going down a lot, yeah, but are you gonna take a trade just because silver's going down? Not necessarily. Could be more of a fake out. So I don't know. Have you tell yourself if you were trading with 100 million, would you take it? Your favorite question.
my favorite question. I might get a tattoo of it, but
Would you take that trade if you were trading with 100 million?
no, I wouldn't.
No, you wouldn't? Wow, thanks for being honest.
Yeah.
But you haven't been honest to your capital now. So. Ask us the question, write it down. Such a good question.
I highlighted
For you, it's a
it.
good question. It's incredible. Did you write it down?
Yeah, I did.
I think they're both going to touch 61.
Before taking a trade, prepare this question. Would I? Yeah, this is good. Would I take the trade if I was trading 100 million? I want to see two rectangle, check yes, check no. And I want you to check no, I wouldn't take it, and then take it anyway. That would be the most funny moment in my life. But please, like, check it manually and answer your question.
I left the first page empty on my notebook, and this
Yeah.
is where I'm gonna write the question.
Perfect.
So I
yeah.
see it every
Really
time.
good.
it's posted.
Yeah. Be prepared to put yourself in break even.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
we're
looking
about
at
to
it.
break.
I'm looking
The
at it.
structure, I think I would put it at 4,166 or 65 to.
As soon as we break the low, I
Yeah.
would put break even.
We will,
Because we could grab buyers and
Yeah.
go back up. So
We have 1 hour close in 2 minutes.
Who cares?
1 minute.
Well, it's right now you're.
as soon as we break the low, I don't think we'll go back up without breaking the low because we probably have buyers from there after the fake out. Like this was potential good buys after the fake out, but not for us, but for people. I would wait for a sweep.
You're almost there.
But yeah, write it down, 2 checks, and then think about me when you're asking this question to yourself, because I will ask it to you after your trade. So you better make sure you answer yes to me.
Yeah.
I don't want to see you answer no. If you're answering no, you'll never get to $1 million. Okay? If you can't trade with $1,000, you won't be able to trade with $1 million.
Those wicks, man. It creates so many wicks on 5 minutes. Shit.
1 hour is closing. Man, I still wish you good luck for your trade, but
Thanks.
I would prefer if you were willing to take it with 100 million also. But good job, Omer. Only one trading in here is Omer. One time this guy's gonna hit TP4, so he might win this competition. Should take trades.
He's also good trader, no?
What about Calvin?
Yeah.
You haven't took trades,
Nope.
which is okay, which is something I really respect. But as I told you yesterday, if you don't take any trades for 30 days,
You're not gonna learn.
first of all, how am I supposed to tell you if you're a good trader or not? Like, it's easy to say something, it's easy to understand, but executing is the hardest part. So, need to execute. Even if you make a mistake, like, you know, Omar, you could make 1,000 mistakes, I don't mind. At least he's learning,
Yeah.
so
Yes.
he's doing great. You
Yeah,
know?
I agree.
I will not, unless he takes like 15 trades in a row, I will say, okay, you know, calm down. But I don't think he will do that here. Potentially not. So yeah.
Main reason why I didn't like it was just because we're consolidating. Just in DXY, it's not moving nowhere.
Mhm.
I mean, if it was falling,
Yeah.
or I mean, if it was flying, sorry,
Yeah.
then by all means, yeah, I think I probably would have taken it.
Yeah.
Because we spoke about the 23 being touched a few times, so yeah, that's personally what I would have waited for.
So like, the XY was not on best level, but.
It just doesn't look good to me at all, DXY.
Mhm.
He's close.
But at least like I can tell him because he took it, so it's
Of
good.
course. No,
But also you guys are learning a lot from him also because when he takes a trade I can give him my feedback, so.
Yeah,
all
no
good.
problem, guys.
Wow.
What is it?
No problem, guys.
Whoa,
I'm
whoa,
the
whoa.
experimental bunny.
He's like yeah.
Amar.
I know you've asked us, but what made you started trading?
What made me started trading?
Yeah.
Just, you know, my dad is a trader, so when I
okay.
grew up, like I was watching him trading.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes for like 8 hours I was just sitting at his right and look, because it was looking interesting. So that's one of their first thing, but really he tried to push me away from trading, so he told me like, don't trade.
Really?
Yeah, he was saying that less than 1% succeed, so you shouldn't trade.
And was he a gold trader?
Hmm?
Was he a gold trader?
No, he's like not a trader, but like an investor.
Okay,
Like,
gotcha.
long run investor,
Yeah.
like this is his main job. It's what he do every day, so investor like long run, mostly a year or 6 months. But he kind of used like what I personally use sometimes. So yeah, this is it, and also freedom, I would say.
Yeah.
Like all my life I've tried to look for a job where you don't have to like be in a certain place at a certain time.
Same.
Just like you can trade from everywhere. I tried, you know, like drop shipping before, also online businesses. I think everyone that wants to be successful in life and wants to be like has freedom, tried drop shipping.
I've done it.
Guilty.
I've done it.
It's like, you know, you're just trying to figure out how to make money, so
Yeah,
drop
yeah.
shipping is good. But trading, in my opinion, is better.
Mm.
It's really difficult drop shipping. You always have to like switch and stay on the current
Yeah, I've got
trends.
friends that do it. They're like 12 hours a day behind the laptop.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I've said it on live. I've made like few bucks from drop shipping.
Yeah.
When COVID starts.
What were you drop shipping?
When COVID starts, the gym in where I was from in Quebec, Canada, was all closed. So I was thinking about something potentially that could work from it. So I was selling elastic bands from trading. You know, at home,
Ah, yeah,
elastic
okay.
bands,
Resistant.
like resistant bands.
Yeah.
And I made like 5,000 USD in 1 month. But I was like 16 years old. So
Yeah, yes.
17.
It's a lot of money for them, yeah.
I was happy for that age, and then gym reopened, so I got fucked. But it was nice, yeah. It was nice. And then I went to trading, and it was
Straight away.
Omer, did you put yourself to be?
Yeah. Thanks for mentioning.
No problem.
yeah. I think we all have the same reason why we're starting trading. And for people that is only about money, because I want to make money fast, it will never work for them unless they change their mindset.
I'm changed my mind. I'm already don't. I'm told before what I want to do it because of I would like to be free, like make easy more, make life more easy. But now I'm a little bit changed my mind.
You change your mind?
Yep.
Because you know, yesterday you asked ChatGPT how to be rich fast. So yeah. But if you change your mind today, it's really good.
I mean, I'm agree with me, but and with you also. So it's not for fun, you know. I'm really interested. Even if I don't be here, I mean, stay here on the last day like a winner,
Yeah,
I will continue to do
Great.
that. Yeah,
glad to hear it.
yeah.
And you know, it takes time. Like making money takes time, and it's normal. You should accept it. But yeah, it's good that you change your mindset because with the current mindset that you had yesterday, for example, like you will never be rich. So better like to think long run, which trading is. It's not a get rich fast. But yeah, good job.
DXY is falling.
Omar is still surviving or no?
Yeah, break even.
But yeah, the XY is.
DXY is dropping now.
Did you short?
Yeah.
Yeah, he took a sell at 72. At Did you put yourself break even?
Yeah.
Good job. So yeah, you took a sell here on this candle, I think. On the same candle just before it closed, right?
Yes.
Okay.
On the same candle just before it closed.
And M15 was nice also. So it's not bad. The only thing was the XY. Other than that,
Valid, I think.
it's valid. You waited for the grab. We had the grab. You took the trade just before the close. It's a nice trade. Not bad. Bit of a high risk, but at the same time, like these movement that we made for sales, they are really strong right now. So it could be like a good ROI also. Better than a buy.
Yeah, that's for sure. If I took a buy here, I think you would have just left the room.
Yeah, leave the room, please. Ow. So yeah, it's good. But yeah, I would like to see that from everyone taking trades. Like even if you not sure about it, like take it so you
Just
can
do it.
understand. Even Victoria, you should try to take trades if you understand a bit.
Of
about it.
course, my sister, she's also trader.
Oh yeah?
Yes, but I'm not interesting. I mean, before because I was focusing more on creative work. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So for now, yes, of course, I'm waiting for her. She's in Spain now, traveling,
Yeah.
and she will explain me. Maybe she can come for one day here and show me more.
You know what she trades?
Um,
You don't know.
no, but she's good.
She's good.
Mm.
Great. At least it's nice you have family trading, so
Yeah, she's younger than me,
she's younger.
but we look same, and she knows 5 languages very well.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, you got lucky there.
Great.
Omar.
Mm-hmm.
You got lucky there.
So yeah, Victoria, don't be shy. If you look for a trade and you think it looks nice, it's valid. Even if you're not sure about it, take it. So you know, I'll give you my feedback on it, and potentially you'll make good profit or stop loss. In both cases, you'll win because you'll learn. So
Sometimes I feel shy, you know,
sometimes you feel shy.
because my English not well, and I would like to ask more questions. And
Yeah,
mm.
it's okay. You can ask like you can write it down in Russian. Tell me like you did today. It was a good question. I was
Thank you.
surprised actually.
Thank you.
Yeah, good job. Okay. Still in?
Yeah, it missed my break even by 10 pips.
10 pips.
Another Christmas. But who knows, might hit it. It's blue right now.
Mm-hmm. How are you guys feeling so far after 10 days?
I think a bit more confident in terms of drawing your Fibonacci levels and what everything means, that support resistance, the EMA, how to use it, SMA, and how to correlate with gold, silver and the DXY. So I think for now it's been great for me personally. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm an in-person learner. If I sit and watch something, I can do it, but I prefer to be in the midst of it, chucked in the deep end, and that's the way you learn.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's been great. It's been the best thing probably I've ever done
Nice.
in terms of trading. So thank you.
Good to hear. Thanks, Calvin. How are you feeling, Victoria?
Of course, now confident more, because when I came to this, the trade of house, I don't understand what is different between support and stop loss. For me, it was same, you know. For now, I know what mean take profit and stop loss, and why should to use it, and what it's mean resistance. I know everything. I just
You've learned a lot.
I just cannot speak. That's why that's one small problem.
Okay.
Maybe sometimes I can use, if you will agree for this, chat translator, and yes, it will be perfect. Maybe once.
You can use it if you have questions.
Okay.
No problem.
And
Omar?
Yeah, I love it here.
You love it here.
I could be here the entire year.
Yeah, you could be here the entire year. You take trades the entire year.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
I think it's a good way to learn.
It's an amazing way
Trade
to learn.
feedback, and also as long as you will ask your question before the trade. It's been a couple of trades you took yet. You don't ask yourself the right question.
Yeah,
You have
don't
it.
worry. I've
Oh
got it
yeah.
now.
There you go. This is good.
I've got it now.
You don't want me to. Did you put 100 million? Yeah,
Yeah, 100 million.
100 million.
nice question.
On the point. It's the best question.
Yeah.
Especially if 100 million is a lot for you, it's good.
But you know the answer.
You know the answer?
You know the answer. I mean, you can tell us what do you think about it. Yes.
About what?
About this.
About him?
Yeah. No, him.
What do you
about
think
his
about me?
question.
Sorry?
About his question, I mean.
About his question. But yeah, but the question he's asking himself is really important for him, especially because when he takes the trade and I ask him the question, he says otherwise. So that's why for him it's important.
Yeah, exactly.
Like if he would ask him the right question before taking it, he wouldn't take it. So it's a bit of a difference.
Hit my break even.
And to be someone, you need to act like you already are. So if you act like you trade with 100 million, maybe you'll have it one day.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
I think it's possible, really, for everyone.
I'm gonna keep working.
How about you, Bilal? How you feel? 10 days in a trading
Yeah.
house.
Good, to be honest. I just need, honestly, I really just need to like flip my mindset as a day trader. Like, to be honest, like on Bitcoin, I have no problem. Like, if I want to trade, I get in. I know like pips are not a problem. I just need to evaluate, taking consideration of the smaller fib, and more I'm here, more and more I understand your mindset, so I'm able to like take what is best for me to be able to restructure with what I'm comfortable with, because
Yeah.
there's some stuff you're comfortable, I'm not, and I restructure what will make me click right away.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's good. I think everything that we're doing right now is making me a better trader.
Yeah.
I'm truly grateful. Yeah.
Nice. Good job. What do you think about the fact that I don't like Bitcoin and I don't trade it?
That's your business. I'm making money out of it.
Yeah?
I respect that, but I see confluences. I've been making money there. I mean, you do gold. If I do something else, it's not a bad thing. Right now, we're here at your place. I'm working on gold and doing my
We're
best
not
to
here
understand.
just for gold. We're here to learn trading.
Exactly.
Trading is life.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But like today, like yesterday, I really thought about your structure on 38, retest, took a grab, and afterwards, as soon as it grabbed, I got in, and like I was scared because it came back close to my position, but it never went because it was so precise. Like it was the best entry that I could have done. So, like I see, I'm getting better towards
Yeah.
it. Like my mind is like changing.
There's always going to be some small mistake, but it's easy to correct.
Yeah.
Like it's the difficult one to correct is execution.
Yeah.
If you have good execution, after this, like everything is so easy to correct. Like the timing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so easy. You just put a straight rules. You don't trade. You don't even look at the chart. That's it. Like timing is so easy to
100%.
change. Execution is difficult.
It's very hard.
Actually, like clicking, especially like if you do it the way I do, like thinking that like a big thing,
Yeah.
like it's super huge, like institution, like when they click, they're probably not stressed that much, but like they're probably like still stressed because it's a lot of money.
It is,
Like it's
yeah.
not when you realize it's not a game, it's not for fun. Like it's a bit more stressful. So yeah, except for you. Good job. Keep it up. Yeah, Aaron. I mean, it's been
It's only been 2 days, but
3
like,
days today.
for me, like I've been on and off trading, like copy trading for the last 7, 8 years.
8 years copy trading.
Just copy trading, like never learned Fibonacci levels, never learned structure, never learned fundamentals, nothing until I kind of started watching your lives. I've learned a lot over the last 2 or 3 months just watching you online.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm the type of person that I need to be able to ask questions.
Yeah.
I need to be in front of my mentor. I need to be.
Yeah.
Once I can ask them, then I start to learn a lot faster. Similar to Calvin, I work much better in the moment. You know,
For sure.
not just staring at a course on a screen.
Yeah.
I need someone to explain it to me, pretty much.
Normal.
But yeah, I'm really appreciated to be here. I've been driving my girlfriend crazy the last 2 weeks, waiting to come in. So
It's good.
really happy to be here. Thanks very much.
I'm
Great.
starting to like that cell structure, man. I know when leave, but I know he's out, but I like this cell structure, man.
You got out break even here, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that was just a nice entry to get, to be honest.
I mean, if DXY breaks the highs, then
Even
I don't see why
Bitcoin
not.
is going lower. I'm like, shit, gold is
We've got a
everything
bullish
is
candle.
Frozen. That's
like it's a nice structure. He just went too early. That's really what it was.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm not mad.
We're not
It's
talking
okay.
about you being mad.
DXY just needs to fly.
The XY touched 61 also, wow.
Yeah, I know. Like I said, everything looks good now. After he's out.
Yeah.
Really.
And now it's getting more, I mean, it's more valid, yeah. Right.
I'm also happy to be here.
No, just talking. Billy, what do you think about 3 days being in trading house?
I love it. I am learning a lot. I think if I wasn't here, I would have traded like 50 times a day. So I'm learning patience. And yeah, I had no idea about Fibonacci's and what each Fibonacci meant. So it's slow, but I'm slowly getting to understand what it is. So thank you.
Really good. Yeah. Oh, you'll understand better every single day. So yeah, every day that goes by. So yeah, as I said, don't be stressed to take a trade. If you see something, go for it. It's really good. Like we're using Demo not just for fun. And the last week, okay, is what I decided. The last week of the trading house, you'll have real account, okay? And if you make a profit, you'll keep it.
Wow.
If you lose everything, you will give me 10x what you lose. No, I'm joking. I'll take it on me.
Can we keep trades on the weekend on those funded?
Oh, it will not be funded. It will be live account.
Oh,
Live account. Yeah. No, funded.
Okay, so you could trade whatever you want then.
You can do whatever you want. Yeah.
I can full port your
But
account.
if you respect me,
No, I respect you.
you will not full port on
I'll
NFP,
make-
okay? So.
I'll make money out of
I'm
it.
out on it.
I'll make money out of it.
But anyway, it'll be only the candidates that are there for the finals, pretty much. So not all of you, but if you have the chance to do it, good job. And also the winner will have the big prize for the winner, which will be a really good live account that will give you for winning. You can withdraw it if you want to, but it's, I think in my opinion, it's a good
Smarter.
Good investment.
like
Start you.
start, yeah, and could help you a lot starting trading. But you decide at the end of the day. But I'm think if you're here and you win this challenge, because I believe in you and I see high potential, so probably you'll keep it in the account. But you do you. But yeah, we'll see. But yes, so that's why like having demo right now, I would practice as much as possible on these accounts, so you can be ready, like execution-wise, for the 4th week, which is coming like really fast. It might looks like it's
I
been
think
a long time, but it's gonna come
we're
really
nearly
fast.
halfway.
It's only been like it's already been 10 days that we're here, so another 10 days we'll go like this, and then you'll have real account, and maybe you'll not be here. So yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I think, don't forget guys that today the reason why potentially we're ranging over here
Big news.
is because we have CPI a bit later, today at 8:30. I wouldn't be surprised to see price ranging over here and grabbing liquidity until CPI. So if I was you, I would wait. Like Omar, even yourself getting out break even is perfect. So I would wait for CPI. Not a lot of trade to take at the moment, but CPI is in 3 hours and 10 minutes.
4:30 now. Yeah. Yeah.
So I wouldn't be surprised to just see price grab liquidity, and a lot of people will just keep on entering, keep on trying this sell because it looks wonderful, easy. Like to just sell after this candle, for example. But yeah, we'll do a bunch of fake outs. Even one of the reasons why DXY is not truly following gold today is probably because of
Because of that.
CPI. It's high manipulations. So yeah, it's different.
With the forecasted levels for the CPI, the previous one is 0.4%, the forecast is 0.3. Is that good or bad for the US dollar?
What did you say? 0.3, 0.4?
The previous is 0.4, the forecasted is 0.3, so it's going to be less. Is that better or worse for the dollar?
It depends what news we have, because forecast is 0.3. If we go out at 0.4, it's different. It's good for USD.
Oh, it's good for USD. Cool. And if it's 0.3, it's bad.
It's as expected, so
Okay.
it's not bad. Wouldn't call it bad, but don't forget the institution try to have as much as possible close from 0.2.
Okay.
So like
Ah, there we go.
that's for the inflation.
The trade is gone.
So yeah, but as expected, normally we won't have like really big reaction, and we'll probably get out as expected, in my opinion.
Cool.
So it won't affect that much the market, unless we go like out 0.4, 0.2, 0.5 would be crazy. But yeah, we'll see. It's ranging a lot over here. Possibly we'll range a lot today.
No, I had a beautiful drop. It's just never mind. Nothing. Today is a good day.
Why?
Why?
Today is a
Why
good
is
day.
beautiful
It's
day?
just a beautiful day.
What
On Bitcoin,
happened?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Bitcoin is falling.
Yeah, big
Yeah.
time.
That-
That's why.
Yeah. it's just the reaction are so. You're right. Like there's so many like it's the money of the people.
Yeah.
It's literally
Yeah.
that. But what's beautiful
Lot of
about it
retail.
is the panic in it is crazy.
Yeah.
So when we go in the phase of bullish, it's amazing. And I'm telling you, there's institutions that have money there, but only on high time frame. Because I see high reaction, and you could keep it for a long run, to be honest.
But scalping and day trading, in my opinion, it's not possible.
But the panic of retail trader is beautiful. Like they just get their money out and it's dropped 10,000 pips, and after they see the dip, they put their money back. It's insane. It's insane.
I think some people, they take 100 trades a day on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Like they just try to go out and in and out and in and out.
Even
It's
the
crazy.
dip, they wait for another dip. I don't know how they base their self, and they put back their money when they got back up. So they lost so much.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Like the mindset, how they destroy the mind of people.
It's crazy. It is.
I think it's worse than gold, the manipulation.
Have you ever tried to trade Bitcoin? Anyone here?
No.
No.
I hold a good bit of crypto, but I never day trade it. I think I'd be an emotional wreck if I tried to day trade it.
I've just been GU, so
Wow.
GBP USD and Euro USD.
I know friends who do
Today's a
that.
good day.
What is it?
I know my friends who doing it.
Yeah?
Yeah, with Bitcoin, but I don't know what.
Yeah. No, day trading and scalping is not really good for Bitcoin. If you can do long run, it could be good. So that's about it. But yeah, for now we'll wait. It'll probably consolidate a bit. Yeah.
Could potentially be here until after news.
Is it?
We will be here till after news.
Hmm?
I think we won't move until after news. Just because no one wants to risk putting any money in right now and doing trades, right?
Yeah.
So, because it's. So we could just range here all day and not get a trade. Have to be in New York.
Good thing you didn't sell.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at it.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah,
Yeah, sells.
so,
Good thing you waited.
potentially I would have had it happen and entered, but yeah.
Can you help us?
You're looking at the news, yeah?
Yeah.
CPI?
I'm read him, and yes, I'm check same. Sorry, it's technical questions. I have some mistakes here. Can you help this?
So you're on gold Spotify with that. As you went to stock, go for all. No, and then choose Oanda. You'll be okay.
Done.
And for Forex Factory, only check for red folders.
Yeah, I know because someone told me, and it depends.
Yeah, I mean, only check for USD and red folders
Yeah,
every
sure.
day. So today we have, what is it?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much. Yes,
course.
only this.
So yeah, core CPI, 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 all of these. Yeah,
Not good news.
good.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are on Forex Factory right now. Core CPI.
Yeah.
Do I open this graph to see the forecast? Like this is the forecast that you mentioned. What's
Yeah,
predicted
forecast is
to
what's
be.
expected, yeah.
What's expected to be. And this one never gets updated on my Forex Factory. I have to manually click on each one, I think,
The actual.
to see the actual, yeah. Because the number there doesn't get updated. So I just have to see.
For me, they updated.
Okay. I don't know.
Depends.
Okay,
It
so
takes like 1 minute.
if the actual is higher than the forecast, then it's good for the dollar. Okay, if it's below, it's bad. But if it
Yeah.
stays in the same range, there won't be
As
much.
expected, there won't be much reaction.
Okay.
Unless like it's a really bad thing for CPI. Let's say like we have like 50,000 jobs for NFP and we stay as expected at 50,000 job. It's not the best because we're too low, you know. Like, for gold, I'm saying it's not the best because we're too low. So it depends on the result also. You know, interest rates when they're really high. You know, if we do as expected, yes, like it was as expected, but still we're really high, so it's not the best. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We'd like always like have better results. So potentially sometimes we go as expected and we still have moves because it's not good for USD.
Okay.
Even when we have as expected. Yep. That's it. It's a big day for news. CPI is really important for me. It'll create a lot about my storyline. bit of a missing information that we had in the past days. But today with CPI, it's going to help a lot. If it could be good for USD, it would be really nice because
Just sell off.
we'll be able to continue our sell moves
Yeah.
up all the way down to 3,900. It would be so great.
Do you think it could be a similar situation to the NFP where it creates a little fake out to the upside before making the drop?
NFP, I don't think we've made any fake out. No, we went down straight. It was for yesterday. A small news that we have
It was about the
regarding the war
No, I meant on Friday
on Friday.
when I had the big wick up and then came back down.
Before NFP.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
just before.
It's
Yeah.
possible.
Mm.
Yeah, of course. But it was a huge consolidation, so yeah, we just grabbed a bit of liquidity and then we
NFP
dropped.
we went slightly up,
Yeah,
like close to
round.
every, yeah.
Like it was a small wick, I think. It
Yeah,
was over
small.
here.
It wasn't that high. Yeah. it
Just a
was
small
small.
grab that we made.
It like kept going down after, like.
That was it. Like at the end. I don't even think it was here. This is it here. Yeah, really small wick, but still grabbed liquidity.
Mhm.
I had better level. Remember at 82, we had like a
Mhm.
really nice sell level. We didn't touch it. We didn't grab anything. Also, 82 was here.
Went without
This
us.
liquidity. We went just over here,
They don't care about
and then
it.
we started dropping.
Mm.
But it was before NFP. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, NFP is the scandal. This one.
Okay.
So it was before. It's like they were, in my opinion, institution were just getting entries
Getting
over
in
there
yeah.
at 72, 73, 75, just so no one is in, because everyone was thinking it's a buy at that point.
Mhm.
They were all starting to buy. So it was a beautiful fake out. Difficult to understand sometimes, like what they had in mind before doing it.
Yeah.
Sometimes do the inverse. Let's see.
We'll see. Time will tell.
Time will tell. If it was not CPI today, it could be something we can try, but because of CPI, I wouldn't try it. The best is to wait for the news, get more information.
Mm.
I think a lot of people will try to get more information
Mm.
before heading into the next, unless they know the news. But
Mm.
investors, private investors, I would wait. I would love to break 4,100. It will be more clear after. If we don't break 4,100 and we stay above it and we start going up 42, 43, it's like,
Risky, yeah.
we're missing something. You know, you don't want to fill for buys because we haven't grabbed anything.
No, we need to grab. We need to break it.
We're pretty close, 600 pips away.
I don't see why they wouldn't.
Yeah. I don't see why we wouldn't go lower after it also.
Do you think they have already positioned themselves?
For selling?
Like, for
Institution like buy limit?
no, like if they already maybe took a sell like from the move before, they have sell
I
position.
hope so. If they haven't took a sell, how did we get down that way? And also like, for sure, yeah, for sure they took a sell. I'm pretty sure they took a sell at 74 before NFP. They took another sell on the news yesterday on FIB 38. And maybe they kept on adding more position on FIB 23 every time. Wouldn't be surprised. When they enter, normally it makes a fast move. So those fast reaction that we had on every 23 after a small structure was probably caused by them. Wouldn't be surprised at all. But yeah, they're not taking buys in the last 3 days for sure. As for New York, it will depend on what we have today, but selling would be great. We could look for potential level. We could look for buys on New York, for sales on New York, sorry. Let's see.
Didn't move since.
23, 38.
It's just consolidating. 15 minutes looks really good though.
88.
What level do we have here for this kind of reaction?
Mm. 100%. 23. The best would be 61, I think, for New York. The best price possible we could have would be 61. If we can touch 23 again, it would be nice. 42.09 for people to think that it's a buy, but 4,200 would be really great. And also at 09, I'm pretty sure we'll grab a bit of liquidity from those sellers. But are we going to go there? That's the question. Maybe we'll just keep on getting lower.
So I think if it touches 23, it might as well just touch the 88 above it.
Potentially. Potentially, but in these last days, like every small retracement that we make, we never like go higher after, you know.
I
So
don't think they will touch it.
we always like make a retracement and then we can't break the highs. Like always making lower high every single time, you know. Even here on those 23, we never come back to grab. Like it's not grabbing anything. I don't know how this market is able to go that down without grabbing anything, but it's the life of gold. 88 is possible. We have liquidity, but it would scare me literally to go back to 88 because I would be like, oh, we're so not used to do that. It would scare me to go back 88. I would rather have 61 here clean, leave the liquidity from these sellers. They're really trying to protect. If they took a sell over here, which is pretty possible, they'll protect it. So we'll go back 61 and go down.
I'll try it.
Yeah, we'll see. But New York is going to be interesting, especially after CPI. Can't wait to see the result.
What price is your 61 on? 98? 41.98?
Yeah, pretty much. Even 99, yeah. Pretty much 99. It's going to be a good level we'll look at. Every time we're trading live, it's always the worst market. Huh?
Yeah. Even last week when I was watching you guys, it was the same.
Last week also, I think, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like we have a news later, so we just need to wait for the news, or markets consolidating. Always consolidating, pretty much.
I think, would you not say it's also because it's start of the month type? Start of the first half of the month, is it usually a lot worse than your experience, or is it because obviously all the news that comes out? Or
It's a little bit. I think it's just because we're making all those moves pretty much after New York or on New York. On London, market is more like trying to stabilize, and then on New York and Asia, we're doing those big moves. Market can't just like fall every time. Like this is on New York yesterday. Wow. Exactly on New York Open. Like, yeah. London is just to get ready for New York and Asia, pretty much right now. Sometimes it changes, as I told you. Like sometimes London is really good, better than New York, but most of the time it's more consolidating. Or
I think it's been like that
slower.
It's been like that since I've started trading it back up again.
Yeah.
Ever since I started, it's been like that now.
And there's a lot of, it's always less volume. So
Yeah.
no volume means we'll grab more because they need more, so it's more tricky. Like you'll get stop loss a lot on structure that maybe you would have got stop loss on here. So it's difficult mentally. But if you can adjust and just prepare for New York while being on London, it's better. Yeah, so let's see. Anyone has any question so far for today? Pretty calm session because market not moving. We have the Omer that took a trade. Got out break even, perfect. But any question from today?
So if it came back up and hit 61, let's say before New York opened, and it created structure, would you still take the trade, or would you wait for the volume to come in on New York Open?
I like to take trades an hour before New York. It's okay.
Okay.
But since we have CPI,
You stay away
like,
from it.
it's at 8:30. New York Open at 9:30 New York's
okay.
time. I would like to wait for price to stabilize before taking a trade.
Okay.
So maybe around 9:10, 9:15 I could potentially take one. But sometimes I take trade before New York, like 8:30, 7:30, 8. New York's time is not a bad timing to take trades. Sometimes we have the reaction before New York opens, so then people arrive on New York and
Go
they
slowly,
follow the trend.
Slowly,
Right.
slowly.
let's say like at 7:30 in the morning you have like a huge uptrend, okay, that starts like creating. Then people on New York, they either try to sell or add more. So
Yeah.
on New York we'll only be grabbing liquidity like all session because the move happened before. And even me, sometimes I arrive on New York, didn't took the trade before, and I know that like everything that I will try buying the dip or
You're gonna
selling,
get killed.
I'll get stop loss. Like so I'm like, you know, when you miss the move, sometimes it's better to accept it and just move to the next.
Close the charts.
like I know it. Like I start the session, I'm like everything I'll do.
I'm late.
So,
I'm late.
yeah, so that's it. But yeah, sometimes before. Depends. Let's see. Any other question? Because with market like this, don't think anyone will take a trade before CPI. Unless something perfect over here, but even though it's not best timing in my opinion. We'll see. What Omar tried was perfect at the timing, but now after break even, like it's a good thing you got out break even this time. And you didn't mind also. I saw it. Like you didn't like care about it. You were not like, oh,
Yeah.
so it's good. You understand. Grab the liquidity again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Time to sell.
It's really perfect grab, huh? It's like, wow,
Yeah,
draw with the pencil.
2 pip grab or something.
Yeah, it's like piece of art. Gold is really precise. Crazy.
In my chart, it went above the trend line. Did I do it wrong?
Sorry?
Above the fib. you-
Sorry, above
Yeah,
the
It's
Fibonacci.
the same as his.
It's the same. I
Yeah.
can't really see it.
Yeah, if you come to the right line,
Ah.
you can see the line that's gone
Ah,
just
okay, yeah,
with
the
above
same
it and
thing.
came back down.
Okay,
Mhm.
the same.
Okay. Any other question before we end the live, maybe for people at home that could help them? Or we done for today?
Never think.
I was thinking of connecting my real account to my MetaTrader here.
Okay.
Instead of trading demo, swap to like real money. I would like love to see how it will
Is
affect.
it a live account?
Yeah, live account.
Okay. I mean, it depends on you, how comfortable you are and how ready you are. But if you are ready, could be a good idea since you're asking the right question, starting from the next trade.
It might make you feel like you're trading with 100 million.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, right now, as what I'm seeing and what you were telling me in the past, you're taking a lot of less trades and you're trading with demo, which means it's good. Because most of the time with demo, like you don't care. You know it's not real money. But if you act like it is, it's good. So if you're ready, then go ahead. I mean, Aaron has his account. Or you're trading on your,
I'm trading on my live account.
he's trading on his live account.
Well, live funded.
Yeah. You can try it if you want to, but just keep in mind that, you know, if you take a loss, you're emotional about it, like it could potentially make you go mad and less understand. That's why like the first week I wanted to try like with demo, just so you like practice pretty much. If you feel like you've already practiced enough, you can. But it depends on you, to be honest. I'm not the one.
How long? Okay, I will translate and then I will ask.
Go ahead. So yeah, it depends on you, Omer. You tell me if you're ready.
I think I have more to work on in terms of until I get my live account.
You should like take trades before.
No, I know, 100%. I've
take
got
the
loads
first
to
one.
work on. I think it's just, as I said, the hardest thing is that execution. As I said, pressing the,
Yeah.
the buy or sell, right?
But don't be scared. Like it's demo. It's okay.
I know it's a demo, but it's still that. It's still, you need to trigger that switch in your head to understand like it's okay to do it. You know,
I know.
you're going to learn this way,
Yeah.
and that's the best way of learning.
You know, sometimes it was happening to me also at the start. I was like so focused on like taking the best trade possible that at the end I was not taking trades,
Yeah, yeah.
which is not good.
What I'm in now.
Yeah.
I'm
And after, that's why I want you to take trades, because after when I was starting taking, I was never stopping.
Yeah,
I was taking multiple of trades. You know?
I get it.
So,
It's that initial step.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's like there's probably like in your head there's two like different cases. You know, there's the one where you never take trades,
Yeah.
and sometimes one, or the other one where we take multiple trades. So like you want to have a balance in this. So
I think
rather
it's-
like you take
I
some.
have to do it to learn the midpoint, right?
Just find a midpoint, yeah. But this is what's difficult.
Yeah, very much.
So you want to keep the best, but at the same time,
I genuinely think I would have taken it if DXY was reacting correctly.
Yeah.
It wasn't the opposite sell for it. I definitely would have taken it. So
Victoria, you have your question?
I will keep my question for tomorrow.
You will keep it for tomorrow. Is there a reason why?
Mm,
No?
I'm just shy,
You're shy, but don't be.
honestly.
Okay, if you're just shy about it, just say it. I thought it was like maybe more about tomorrow, but if you're shy, just say it. You don't have to be shy. It's okay. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm listening.
No, it's okay. I understood everything what you explained us today, and I'm so pleasure for that. So thank you for our dialogue today, yesterday when you told me what I should focus on and no fun anymore. I'm really learning. She lives with me in my room, in our room, and she knows what I'm read notice, and I love it. I mean, I love the market.
Great. Yeah, yesterday I was saying like no more joke, because even for people at home watching, felt a bit like disrespect. Everything is serious here, and people wants to really grow, and they want to learn from. I don't want you like to distract other people, but yeah, as per today, because I always give chance to people. I was staying calm with you because there's no reason why I would break off on you. Like, I just want to stay calm for you to like actually change.
Of course.
And I wanted to make sure also that you're not looking for attentions from other people.
I don't need attentions.
You don't need attentions?
I have everyday attentions, halas.
You have everyday attention?
Yes.
Yeah, you do. in
But
bad
I
days.
don't do it special, like, I'm not
Okay.
acting or something like that. It's my soul.
So yeah, that's why I stay nice with you. But like as per today, you were acting great, asking right question. You were not doing funny stuff, not trying to cut attention. So thank you for that.
Thank you so much for you.
And as for Billy, what you said, you went to her room. I don't understand. You went to her room.
You want to my room?
Saying that we live together.
I think you won't leave my room, so I don't
Okay.
understand.
You were saying something that we live together, something.
Yeah, I'm
like
told, and you can see what I'm learning, and
that. Yeah, she's studying a lot.
Oh, yeah.
yes,
I can.
studying. Yeah.
Okay.
Studying and really trying.
And you belong. Well, you're well to each other. You're okay.
We're good. I
We're
think
really-
we had a little moment yesterday. We understood each other, and I mean, it was my first time here, and I just noticed a little bit of animosity from her. But
Yeah.
after talking, I think we're good
Yeah.
now.
We apologized to each other,
Yeah.
and now we're like,
Good.
Good.
Nice to hear that.
yeah.
Yeah, the goal is for like, yeah, I'm helping you, but for everyone to help each other, like a team, not like
Yeah.
creating clans. For sure that at the end there's one winner and the prize is really interesting, but still, like, if we can help each other, like I think that there's something bigger than the prize is to actually learn. But the prize is nice also. Okay, so, so yeah, that's about it. Okay, we'll close it for today. Nice session, but to be honest, if I would to take a trade, I would have stayed live, but now we're just ranging and we keep on grabbing liquidity from highs and lows, so I wouldn't take a trade personally on this chart. Omar tried it once, which is perfect. Now close break even, so that's it for us. No one else took a trade. Right? No? Relax. Okay, so we'll be back tomorrow, guys, for episode 10. Okay, officially 1/3 of the Trading House show. So we keep on learning every day. Next week, as I said, is fundamentals. This week will be more to psychology. Tomorrow we'll look a lot into psychology. Okay, I'll prepare something about what I've done in the past, my courses for psychology, and we'll look at it together and try to focus as much as possible. And as I said, I would like you to take potential trades when you feel like it, when you think it's valid on your side. Okay, so even if you're not sure about it, okay, even you, Victoria, if you, because I haven't like really seen you like you're about to take a trade. I feel like you're more learning, which is really okay, but starting from like next week, maybe trying to take trade would be great for you also, just to put yourself on the table, Of course. Okay, so that's it for episode 10, guys. I will see you tomorrow on London session again. We'll take potentially a trade on live would be great, but today just ranging. Okay, so we'll be back tomorrow, guys, for London. Thanks for being there. I will see you tomorrow.